Okay, now we're going to need to scale our perimeter so it's appropriate to our city layout. So let's select the scale tool and go over to the Utilities tab and select Measure. I'm going to move down a little bit here and see that my dimensions are only about 24.5 feet across. So I'm going to zoom way out and just use the scale tool, and I'm going to bring the X dimension of my perimeter up to maybe about anywhere from 12,000 to 15,000 feet to get something 2 or 3 miles across is what we're looking for. So I've landed on 14,662 feet, which is going to be fine. Let's go back to the Modify tab, and I also want to give the platform for our city some thickness. So I'm going to give it an amount of maybe minus 12 feet, something like that. And the only reason that we are doing that is so we can cut some roads into it later. And in order to see that a little bit better, you'd want to hit F4, which is something you always want to do in modeling, so you can see the edges of what you're creating. And J, by the way, is a shortcut to remove the bounding box. And another nicety in setting up our file is going to be zeroing out the position of our object. So let's select the Selected Move tool and just right-click on the bottom of each spinner in case you're not at 0, 0, 0. And that's going to do nicely as a platform for our city project.